Today we will talk about the difference between summon case and warrant case. The term summon case is defined under section 2X and warrant is defined under section 2Z of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. Before understanding the difference between these two, it is important to know the term summon and warrant. Summon is is like a notice issued by the court to the accused so that he can come forward and attend the hearing in a criminal case. It includes two important information. First is the offense for which he is accused. Second is the time and place of the court before which he needs to appear. Whereas on the other hand, warrant is issued by the court to a police officer so that a person accused can be arrested and bring before the court for hearing. Now, summon case is a case other than warrant case. So, to know what is summon case, we need to understand what is warrant case. Warrant case is a case of an offense which is punishable for a term of imprisonment exceeding 2 years or life imprisonment or death. So, if an offense is punishable with imprisonment above 2 years, life imprisonment or death, then it is a warrant case. But if the offense is punishable with imprisonment less than 2 years or up to 2 years, then it is a summon case. Or if it is punishable with fine only, then also it is considered as summon case. Now, summon case and warrant case are not differentiated only on the ground of punishment. There are two other differences also. First is with regard to the issue of process. In a summon case, a person can be called for hearing only by issue of summons. Whereas in case of warrant cases, a person can be called either by issue of summons or by warrant. It is the discretion of the court to judge whether to issue summons or warrant or both in a case. The second difference is with regard to the trial procedure. In a warrant case, there is a different procedure, whereas in a summon case, it is less grave or less technical procedure in a summon case. So these are the major differences between summon case and warrant case.